Good morning. How are we doing today? It's Friday morning. Yay, Friday. So, got an interesting video here. My little trash panda came back to my bird feeders. I have bird feeders out on the decks. Got a bird feeder and a suet container and a couple of hummingbird feeders, and he comes about once a week and just empties everything. I mean, he drinks he tipped the things up and just drink those things like crazy. I'll show you. See, there he is. We'll play. There you see my little trash panda eating the birdseed. You see his little feet right there. And it's dark, so it's the night vision doing it. But yeah, he's just enjoying himself. Crazy. There's probably more, but the camera doesn't pick it up. It's just wild. A little trash panda there. He doesn't look like he's very big. He looks like a young little fella. But so now I'm gonna have to go out and fill everything up again, and I might have to set a live trap to catch him. But crazy. What do? I guess they gotta eat too. Yeah, but he must have been by earlier because everything's empty. So, and he's quite the raider. I think I'll name him that, Raider. Raider, the trash panda, the night ranger. But there it is, my trash panda. Anyway, we can go back to, let's check some other bird feeder ones here. Look, we'll go back here. This is all the history. Here's a bird feeder from about 5 minutes ago. And you can see them all here. And there's a sparrow trying to eat what's left. Let me fill it up. And you can see the suet's about gone. And the hummingbird feeders are empty. Poor little fella. Poor little fella. There's one earlier. Huh. Yeah, look, they're around. I mean, they got lots of birds, which is kind of cool. So, oh, look, there's my dove. I have a pair of turtle doves that live just in the woods here. And they show up. They're cool. Pretty fellas. Yep, guess we're gonna have to refill all of the. Oh, see, there's a dove. Oh, look, there's Mr. and Mrs. They're both there. That's cute. I see. Hey, some little trash panda ate all our food. So, I guess we're gonna have to. Oh, I didn't think he could actually sit on that thing. He really can't. They don't fit on it. I'd pour some on the railing for the doves. But, crazy, huh? Crazy. There's another one. See our little fella there eating stuff off the railing. They're actually kind of cute. Doves are cute. So, I guess we'll go out and. Oh, there's both of them. Cute little fellas. That was at like 7:30. And 26. Oh, look, there's a cardinal. See? He's a cute fella too. Mr. Cardinal. His mohawk is down. Oh, there's another one over there. Guess I'll just refill everything, huh? I guess we will. Huh, cute. This thing will pick up. I have a Ring doorbell camera on here, and it picks up everything, which is kind of cool. Just enough for me to check my birds out. So we're gonna have to just fill everything. You know, we'll put some new suet in there. He makes some noise too. So yeah, that's the morning at the bird feeder. That's kind of interesting. We'll go fill them up. See you later.